win streak, we've got the outcome of every regular season Washington Nationals game during the 2016 season, which unfortunately just ended with a sad loss to the Dodgers. Sorry again, Washington sports fans who haven't had much luck since Joe Gibbs. Okay, so we have a win, win, then a loss, then win, win, win. What's the longest winning streak? Well, what we could do is figure out after each game what's the length of the current winning streak. Here would be 1 game, 2 games, 0 games, 1, 2. Turns out this is the longest one. So after every game, we find out the length of the current streak, all we have to do is take the biggest number in that column. So we can do this with if statements really quickly. If this equals W, then you have a not case sensitive 1 game winning streak, otherwise 0. And then you could say if the current game was a loss, then you're back down to 0. Otherwise you add 1 to the length of the streak. Just copy that down. So that would be something like this. Again, the if statements are so versatile for doing what we need. Okay, now the longest winning streak would just be the biggest number in this column. Control Shift down arrow. 7-game winning streak. So 7-game was the longest winning streak. And that's really all there is to this really short video, but it shows the power of if statements. They can solve a really fairly complicated problem.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.